Kape-kape tayo. Mm. Ah.
We met, I think it was 2010 when I had moved to Arizona. When did you all become a couple? This was off and on since 2010. Okay. But it's on now. It's on. Definitely it's on. On. Ain't gonna definitely on. Okay, because I don't want to
Ah.
things like, man, I definitely made my mind up. I really fell in love with Rochelle when I noticed how she paid attention to the little things that I do. Okay. So I drew
Kape-kape.
a picture and I wrote her a little letter and she come back probably like a couple days later. It was like, I really love you. Look what I did. And you drew a picture. No, man, I went and got the picture that you drew. It's got to do my leg. Oh, really? I think we there's a picture. Okay, well, you know what? I would want to see that. It's actually him. If you really look at it, he used to have braids. I did. And he had his eyebrow pierced. It was just small. Oh. And where is your leg? It's, my leg. Yeah. And we just, it definitely, for her to do something like that, it definitely opened my eyes. And like she really do, and I tell I can tell about her kids. It's hard to find that nowadays. And Rochelle's the type of person that she's genuine, honestly, and I
Mm.
just like I love that about her. Are there any issues going on with you and Mr. Dawson outside of the fraternity? I can answer that. Oh, okay. I definitely can. All right. So at the end of the day, I really love Rochelle. Sooner or later, I want her to be, spend the rest of her life with me. Okay. But before I could do that, I need to know, what's going to happen with this DNA. Where I come from, you don't just marry her, you marry her kids. You know what I mean? Exactly. And I'm so pressed about this maternity. I want to, adopt the kids. Okay. And I want to. The child in question. Yes, ma'am. So why is this question of paternity so important to you? Um, for the simple fact that I don't want to do all of this marriage and all that, and another guy step in and say, "Wait a minute, that's my child." And the reality is, he needs to know that for the adoption. That's going to be one of the questions: who is the father? And giving notice to all the fathers so that they can step in and say, "Yay or nay." Up next. So, Mr. Dawson, in your mind, what is the question surrounding the paternity?
Ah.
Joshua last name is Braxton. Isn't that Anthony Price? So why is the child named Braxton? Did your partner destroy your property? Submit your case at cutlerscourt.com. You'll find them in cities, towns, and suburbs all across America. Millions of Americans who have Medicare and Medicaid, but may be missing benefits they can really use. Extra benefits they may be eligible to receive at no extra cost. And if you have Medicare and Medicaid, you may be able to get extra benefits too through a Humana Medicare Advantage dual eligible special needs plan. Call now to see if you qualify. With the Humana Medicare Advantage dual eligible special needs plan, you could have doctor, hospital, and prescription drug coverage in one convenient plan. Plus, most plans include the Humana Healthy Options that, and another guy step in and say, wait a minute, that's my child.
So, Mr. Dawson, in your mind, what is the question surrounding the paternity?
Yeah, because it sounds pretty clear. Mr. Price is the father, right?
Last names.
Okay. What is the
So-
child's last name?
But Jordan, can you shed some light on that?
I can.
Okay.
So I have Joshua, and Joshua's last name is Braxton.
What is the, isn't that Anthony Price? Is the father?
His name is Anthony Price.
So why is the child named Braxton?
One of my kids all have the same last name, so I gave him the same last name. I didn't want them to do up and around in school, and then kids were like, well, that's not your brother, y'all got different names. Kids these days can be real, and I don't want that for my kids.
Okay. But there's no way that Joshua can be a Braxton.
No, Joshua is not a Braxton.
Okay.
Joshua is a Price.
Okay. So is there a question in your mind, since the child doesn't have Mr. Price's last name, that Mr. Braxton could be this child's father, and you just need to know that so that your house can be clean?
Yes, ma'am. That's
And you know
exactly what it is.
I
Exactly.
understand that.
Exactly.
Okay. You said that Joshua had a relationship with Mr. Price.
Yes, ma'am.
What did that look like?
And it's beautiful.
Okay.
On Valentine's Day, Anthony, what he had told me that he was sick. I kind of feel like Anthony already knew that he was going to pass away. He started doing more stuff for Anthony. I have video clips of him saying, about his son. I submitted it to the court as well. And Anthony never doubted. It's other people that doubt.
All right, so let's take a listen to those audio clips.
Does he need colored pencils too? Let me know.
And so what were we listening to?
That was the voice of Anthony. I say that it's the only people we have left. We don't have any posts left of him besides his picture. And a lot of times we didn't get our pictures either.
So I
So
was asking about what.
what he needed was he wanted to know if he needed color pencils, if he needed uniforms, what could he help me with?
And you said Mr. Price was homeless, but
He still made a way
you made a way somehow.
for his son.
But you also said that he never doubted it,
He never doubted it to me.
but there are other people that were in his life that wonder and doubt and question.
Supposedly Anthony mentioned to his mom that should he get a DNA test for Joshua.
Up next.
So in terms of what Anthony's family thinks, we can take your word for it, or we can hear directly from Anthony's mother. We're going to call her. We have her on the line now.
Closed captioning provided by. What is Circle? Circle is what you hope for when life tosses limits your way. Circle is your frosty treat with a sweet kick of confidence. Circle is the effortless energy that gets you in the zone. Circle, available at Walmart and drinkcircle.com.
Have you had your Hershey's?
I was drowning in debt. I had over $36,000 in debt. If I would have just made the minimum payments, it would have taken me 59 years to pay off. National Debt Relief can significantly reduce the amount you owe. National Debt Relief reduced my debt by over $27,000.
With National Debt Relief, you have a powerful team that knows how to talk to your creditors.
National Debt Relief, they got me out of debt. Call or visit nationaldebtrelief.com to get started.
Suffering from arthritis, muscle, and joint pain? Get relief, finally, with Magnolife Arnica Pain Relief Gel. With eucalyptus and emu oil, ease stiffness, inflammation, and soreness naturally.
Available at your local retailer.
Hey, I just got a text from my sister. You remember Rick, her neighbor?
Sure. He's the 76-year-old guy who still runs marathons, right?
Sadly, not anymore.
What? You mean,
Mm-hmm. Just like that.
wow. So sudden. We're not about to have the we need life insurance conversation again, are we?
No, we're having the we're getting coverage so we don't have to worry about a conversation.
So you're calling about the $9.95 a month plan from Colonial
That's it. Babush.